In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar offline and then sync your changes later so you can keep checking your schedule even when your internet goes down. This is super helpful if you travel a lot, have spotty Wi-Fi, or just want to stay productive without constantly being online. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in Google Chrome on your computer. This is important because offline access works best through Chrome on desktop. Once the calendar loads, make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the calendar you want to use offline. If you're not signed in, log in first so Google can prepare your data correctly. Now look for the settings icon, which is the little gear in the top right corner. Click that, and from the menu, choose offline. This is where Google Calendar lets you control whether your events are available when you're not connected to the internet. Next, turn on offline calendar. As soon as you enable it, Google Calendar will start preparing your calendar for offline use. This may take a little time depending on how much data you have, so be patient and let it finish. You want to make sure the setup completes before you lose your connection, because that way your events will actually be saved locally in the browser. Once the preparation is done, you're ready to use Google Calendar even without internet. If your Wi-Fi drops or you go offline intentionally, just open Google Calendar again in the same browser. You'll still be able to view your available calendars and events that have been synced for offline access. That means you can quickly check meetings, appointments, reminders, and your schedule without needing a connection. And here's the best part. You can make supported changes while offline. For example, if you need to create or adjust certain calendar items that Google allows offline, you can do that right away. The changes won't disappear. They'll just wait until your device reconnects to the internet. This is one of the biggest benefits of using offline mode, because it helps you keep working instead of stopping when your connection fails. Then, when you reconnect to the internet, Google Calendar will automatically sync your changes. You don't need to manually upload anything or refresh a special button. Just go back online, and Google will handle the syncing for you in the background. After that, your updates will appear across your account, just like normal. So, in just a few steps, you've learned how to turn on offline access in Google Calendar, view your schedule without internet, make supported changes, and let Google sync everything once you're back online. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.